Is your air compressor overheating? High temperatures can reduce performance, waste energy, and cause unexpected breakdowns. Poor ventilation, clogged filters, and lack of maintenance make it worse. LMF Engineering provides expert maintenance and solutions to keep your compressor cool, efficient, and reliable, saving you energy and preventing costly downtime. Also, in collaboration with PS Air Training Academy, they offers professional training to help your team manage and maintain compressors effectively. Don't wait until overheating causes permanent damage. Contact them now.